Over the past 12 months, VinZero has been collaborating with the World Green Building Council and its key project partners on the Circularity Accelerator program as they continue their great work to advance sustainable building and net zero best practices on a global scale. The program is focused on developing a roadmap to facilitate the regeneration of resources and natural systems for built environment. And as we celebrate Earth Day this year across VinZero, we take a moment to recognise the key elements of circularity.
Our executives at VinZero from around the world support a circular economy approach in architecture, engineering, construction, owner-operator, and manufacturing sectors. We believe this circular economy approach is a catalyst to achieving the Sustainable Development Goals by 2030. Therefore, we're helping our customers to connect the dots between the technologies they use every day and these 2030 goals that they support. Our vision for the use of digitalization across different industries includes taking care of nature and the earth and all of its resources. Clearly, we're all dependent upon these things, as is all of life. Circularity in design is a way to accelerate towards achieving the Sustainable Development Goals by 2030 and our net zero goals.
At VinZero, we support recycling and the opportunity to redesign components of the built environment through intelligent construction and deconstruction of buildings. For example, via modular assembly and disassembly. We support the adaptive reuse, repair and recycle of building and construction materials to keep them in use in their best condition for as long as possible.
For our customers, technology is a tool used to design out waste whilst designing in improvements. We seek to increase efficiencies during pre-build and build stages and importantly create a lasting positive impact in post-build occupation and usage stages. As a byproduct, we are aiming to minimise and reduce the carbon footprint for our built environment. We support the opportunity to further minimise and eliminate potential mistakes and rejects through intelligent design and build processes. We support responsible procurement and business operations and the use of materials and processes to build that meet sustainability standards.
Nature never wastes anything. It is always used somewhere in the natural ecosystem. We can learn a lot from nature and on how to think innovatively about using someone's waste. This year we have seen some wonderful innovations from local startups, recycling material waste from the built environment, and we have been proud to share their stories through our Think Future podcast series. VinZero supports innovative ways to restore material for reuse in the built environment. In a circular economy, waste from one business is resource for another business. Circularity is for Earth Day and every day. It is second nature for VinZero. Make it second nature for you too.
On Earth Day, we invite you to think future with us. Our priority at VinZero is to support a nature-positive planet by helping regenerate nature in the built environment. In other words, putting Earth, our beautiful home, first. Happy Earth Day, everyone.